Welcome to 30 Days of Python Day 7. It's good to start the series after a bit of a break. In today's class, we'll be looking at how to create a quadratic equation solver. So let's get started. So here we have the Python shell which we launched. But what is a quadratic equation? So we look at it. A quadratic equation is any equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now, how quadratic equations are solved? By using the quadratic formula, x is equals to minus b, where a, b, and c are coefficients, plus or minus square root bc minus 4ac all over 2a. So, most importantly, the property in b squared minus 4ac. If it is called the discriminant, if the discriminant is positive, there are two distinct roots, which is minus b plus square root discriminant all over 2a, and minus b minus square root discriminant all over 2a. If the discriminant is 0, there is one root, and this is called a repeated or double root. If the discriminant is negative, there are no real roots. For the purposes of this class, we won't be doing the case of complex roots. We'll just print out a statement. So let's look at the algorithm. The first step of the algorithm for the quadratic equation solver is to ask the user for the coefficient of x squared. The next step is to ask the user for the coefficient of x. The next step is to ask the user for the coefficient of the constant. The next step is to compute the discriminant. Now, if the discriminant is greater than 0, you print, it says you print distinct roots and calculate the value of x1 and x2. If the value of the discriminant is negative, the value of the discriminant is 0, print double roots and calculate the value of else, we should print complex roots. So what we'll do, we take this, go to the Python shell, create a new script, come back here, save this, paste. Of course, it's going to give us an error if we run this. And convert all of them to comments. So to ask the user for the coefficient of x squared, that's easy. We just say coefficient is equals to float input. Please enter the coefficient of x squared. Okay. C of the constant. Now that is done, let's test this first part. Saving, save on the desktop. We call it Quadratic Equation. So we'll complete the discriminant now. Discriminant is equals to, check it, it says b squared minus 4ac. So that would be coefficient of b minus 4 times a times coefficient c. So we'll use this as our basis. So if discriminant is greater than 0, print distinct root. Elif is saying we don't want to use like else if. So rather than stack if blocks, like use 3 if blocks, we just want to put them in a group. So this is going to be the screen. Save, run. Now, a certain value that has double root will be 1, 7, 10. Now, if we annotate here, x plus 5 x 2 is what a quadratic equation is. So this is going to be x squared plus 2x x plus 2. So we know this now, that taking the coefficient 1, 7, 10, we'll get the program to print out double root. So 1, 7, sorry, 10. So distinct roots, yes. So let's run the program again. So this time, we'll look at the case where we want to print so this will be x is 2 x is 2 equals to this will be x two two So to print out double root in our program, we just need the program to use 1 4 4. So say 1 4 4. Print out double roots. Now let's go back to writing code because we're not done. We've not yet found the roots. So we'll call this x1 equals to minus this is what so this is square. There are many ways to do the square root, but we've seen the math module, so let's use it. So put it up there. Easy. So what colors will show import. What 6. Okay, beautiful, it works. So we'll just say import math. This is math plus square root. This is over 2 times a. So we only send for x2, however, you notice that it's minus. minus. So we'll now print. So we can, so in the final code that I will upload on GitHub, I will put comments. Let's just get it to work first. Yeah, let's test it. For doubles, let's see. X equals to -2. Over 2, sorry. And then print this is 1 for double 0 minus 0. So the program works. So with that, we've come to the end of the 7. Thank you very much for watching.